Hi friends! Welcome to MGS Tales. Today, we are going to learn 25 sight words. We'll say each word and spell it together. Are you ready? Let's go! Repeat after me. I. The. The. Is. Is. In. In. It. It. You. You. He. He. She. She. We. We. Keep going. Me. Me. My. My. On. On. At. At. Do. Do. To. To. And. And. Like. Like. Go. Go. See. See. Almost done. Up. Up. Am. Am. No. No. So. So. Can. Can. Wow, you did it! You're amazing! Keep practicing these words every day to become a reading superstar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun learning. Bye-bye!